Good morning. Today we're going to take a look at the UGREEN 25,000 mAh fast charging power bank. It offers a total of 145 watts of charging power, so you can charge not only phones and tablets but also laptops. So it comes in this box, and it has high energy density cells, which is to say that they are lithium-ion batteries, and it has trickle charging, and it's flight approved, so 25,000 mAh batteries are allowed in airplanes. So at the back you have the feature list. So 100 watts of output and 65 watts of input, and it also have an LED display. So you have here a list of the specifications: lithium-ion batteries, USB-C input and output, USB-A output, and the other specs. So let's open it. So we have the charger, a USB-C cable. Let's see what's under. A carrying pouch, so it's got a felt texture with a drawstring. And then we have some pieces of paper, user manual, and another user manual. This one is more comprehensive than the other one, and it comes in many languages. So this one here states the combinations. So with a single port charging, you get 100 watts from the USB-C, 18 watts from the USB-A, and 45 watts from the secondary USB-C. So for two-port charging, using the two USB-C port, you get 100 watts on the primary USB-C port and 45 watts on the secondary USB-C port. And then using the USB-A and the USB-C, you get 100 watts on the USB-C and 18 watts on the USB-A. And if you use the USB-A and the secondary USB-C port, you only get 15 watts per port. Finally, on 3 ports charging, you get 100 watts on the primary USB-C port and 15 watts on the remaining ports. So that's still pretty good. So here it is. So here's the charger. It's got a nice metallic gray finish. It's plastic. It looks really nice. And the bottom part is black, so it's got a two-tone design. So on the side, you have the power button, which when you press, it shows the remaining power. And when you long press this, it also leads you to trickle charging. So that's trickle charging. And then here are the ports. So you have two USB-C ports and one USB-A port. So this is the 45 watt port and this is the 100 watt port, as it says there. And this one is the 18 watt port. And here on the side, you basically just have the specifications and the ratings. So 25,000 mAh, the voltages and the output powers, and the certifications. So here it is next to my Romos 30,000 milliampere hour power bank. It's definitely smaller, and it's also definitely lighter. So this should be much easier to carry around. So here's my Lenovo Thinkpad. So I usually can charge it with a Romos power bank. So nothing. Then with a UGREEN, so it's charging. And that's it for my unboxing and overview of the UGREEN 145W power bank. The name is a little bit misleading because it doesn't actually let you charge at 145 watts. Instead, it lets you charge at 100 watts from one port and up to 45 watts from another port. But it's still one of the fastest charging power banks in the market. And given its features and portability, it's probably one of the best, if not the best, daily use power bank. Thank you for watching.